So we got to the Georgia mountain coaster, right? And this guy was like, go to the blue one. And I was like, okay, but then I looked down and I was like, wait a minute. My bracelet was blue too. The exact same color. Look at those leaves over there. They're purple on that tree. Leaves are purple. I don't really see purple trees that much. They're like, magical or something. Like a fairy could be hiding in there, or maybe a unicorn or a tiny dragon. Here we go. We're going up. Oh look, there's a camera. I see a camera. Hi camera. Cheese. Wait, this thing goes fast going up. Like, zoom zoom. I thought it was only fast going down. What is happening? This is so cool. I feel like I'm flying already. We're going up again. And I like going up, I really do. But not that much. 'Cause I just wanna go down. The down part is the best part, it's all fast and fun and my hair goes crazy. Going up is like, waiting. And I don't like waiting. Let's go already. We're going down, yeah, we're going down now. Here we go. Oh, wow. It's not fast. Like, I thought it was gonna be like zoom. But it was more like, boop. Yeah, that wasn't fun. That was just a little slide. I hyped it up in my brain for nothing. Do we go down more? I hope there's a better part coming. Okay, this is fun. But it's not as fast as the other ones we rode. Like, not even close. I like it, but I kinda want more zoom. Can we ride again? Please? Maybe the next one will go super fast. Like, hair in your face, screaming your head off fast. Let's do it again. I'm ready.